Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is lecture 6 of series 1. In this lecture, we will discuss what are constants and variables in C++. Here is the outline of today's lecture, in which we will discuss what are different types of constants which are commonly used in C++, what are different types of variables which are used in C++, and in the end, very important, we will discuss rules for specifying variable names in C++. Now, what are constants? Constants, as its name shows, these are basically the quantities whose value do not change during program execution. Means these values will remain constant throughout your execution process. Now, these constants can be a numeric value, a character, or a string. Now, what are numeric constants? Numeric constants are divided into two types. The first category is called as integer numeric constants, and the second one is floating point numbers or floating point numeric constants. Now, integer constants represent values that are counted, or we can say the fixed mathematical values are called as the integer constants in C++. For example, here are some examples of integer constants. Let's suppose 7145. It's a fixed mathematical number. It's a numeric value. So in C++, it's called as integer constant. Similarly, the next two values. Now, what are floating point constants? In maths, decimal point or point numbers which appear in point form are called as floating point constants. So floating point constants are used to represent values that are measured like the height of a person, which might have a value of 166.75 centimeter. Now notice here this value is in decimal. Weight such as 82.6 kilograms. Character constant. Character constant is one of the symbols in character set. Now in C++, they are categorized into different categories. The first one is the digits from 0 to 9. These are all called as character constants. The second one include uppercase letters, that is from capital A to capital Z. The third one include lowercase letters, that is from small a to small letter z. The next one category includes punctuation symbols such as semicolon, comma, period. These are all symbols are called as character constants in C++. The next one includes special symbol such as mathematical symbols like addition symbol, subtraction symbol, equal to symbol, greater than symbols, or all other mathematical symbols. A character constant is always enclosed by single quotation, such as like this one. Means if you are going to write a character constant in your code, then you need to insert quotes on this. Now, what are string constants? String means a combination of multiple constants. So string constant contains a string of characters, and these characters are always written within double quotes. Let's suppose hello Ahmed. Now in hello Ahmed, considering the first word, that is a combination of basically 5 alphabets, that is H E L L O. And the next one is Ahmed. That is again combination of 5 alphabet letters AHMED. So combined, hello Ahmed will be called as a string constants. To write string constants in C++, you need to insert double quotes. Similarly, if you are writing simply A and you are showing that it's a string constant, then you need to insert double quotes over A. Now, what is variable in C++? Variable mean a quantity whose values vary or who can change its value. This is a simple definition of a variable. So in C++, a variable is a symbolic name that represent a value that can change during execution of a program. In C++, variables are divided into two types. The first one is called as numeric variable and the second one character variable. Numeric variables. Numeric variables are used to represent numeric values in computer programs. Means these variables will store the values which represent mathematical numbers. They might contain integer or floating point values. For example, some examples of numeric variables are sum, average, length, salary, marks, etc. Now you can see here that the answer of all these numeric variables will contain fixed math values that will be either integer type or floating point. Character variables. Character variables represent character values in computer program. Means they will show characters. It can represent a single character or a string of characters. Here we have listed some examples of character variables. For example, name. If you are declaring name as a variable, then obviously the name will contain alphabetical letters, so that will be called as character variable. Similarly, city, gender, etc. Now, in C++, we declare variables at the start of our code. So, everyone who is going to practice on C++, he or she must need to remember the rules for specifying variable names. These are the rules on the basis of which we specify a specific name to variable. Here we have listed some of the rules. Now the first rule is a variable begins with a letter or underscore and may consist of letters, underscores, and or digits. The underscore may be used to improve readability of the variable name. Means if you are inserting underscore in the name of variable name, then you are adding that just for the understandability reasons. For example, we declare a variable in our code that is overtime. So in order to make it more readable form, we need to write over, then we insert underscore and then time. There is no restriction on the length of a variable name. However, only the first 31 characters of a variable are significant. This means that if two variables have the same first 31 characters, they are considered to be the same variables. Means there is no restriction on the length of a variable name. You can write a variable name according to your choice, but if you are writing, if you have 31 characters, then only the first 31 characters of a variable are significant. Now, both upper and lower case letters are allowed in naming variables. I mean, if you want to declare variable names, then you can use both upper and lower case letters. because you know that C++ is a case sensitive language. So the uppercase letter variable name will be different from the lowercase variable name. For example, if you are writing a variable name that is AVG, then that AVG is totally different from small letters AVG because C++ is case sensitive language. Okay, next one is special characters cannot be used as variable name. Those characters which are special characters in C, you can't include that special characters in your variable name. For example, hash, question mark, dollar, and rest of the special characters. Reserved words of C language. In our coming lectures, we will discuss what are words of C. So reserved words of C language. Here are some example like int, that is basically a reserved word for the integer child, then for the case, if, etc. Now these reserved words cannot be used as variable names. The next rule is space is not allowed in the name of variable. For example, if you are writing a variable name mass, then if you are inserting MA, then space, then double S, then this way of writing your variable name is incorrect. So spaces are not allowed in variable name. Thank you.